Hi, me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I'm not going to spend too much time on this video, but just late last night or early evening, I helped a person create this, and they sent me this morning. Off of my video, they were able to do it, and they did a great job. It really does me good when somebody can take it. I like the font they picked. The only comment I have, and a lot of people don't really care, but you need to sand your items. Your burn from your cutting. And this is personal preference. I think it looks a lot better. And, some people might ask, well, how are you going to sand these little bitty items? Well, I'll put a link at the bottom of my video about sanding small parts. And, they did a really good job on the flowers and the butterflies and everything. A lot of handwork because each individual letter and each individual butterfly and leaf was put in there. But I really appreciate them sending it and kind of let me know I helped them. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.